to Math Hero, and today we will learn about complex fractions. Alright? So, what is a complex fraction? Complex does not mean complex number. It means that the fraction is really complex. So, for example, if I have here 4, I have here 4 over 1/2 plus 3 over 2. So how do you solve equations like this, or from particular math expression like this? So you will need to use complex fractions. So I'll give you the rules and then you'll just need to follow them. Alright? So to solve fractions like this, number one is you will need to look for the biggest bar. The biggest bar is actually the one that separates the entirety of the fraction. So kanan. After looking for that, number two is, if possible, you will need to follow the PEMDAS rule, that is P for parenthesis, E for exponent, MD, multiplication, division, AS, addition and subtraction. Regarding for this particular example, we don't need to simplify the top because it is just one number. We will need to simplify the denominator here, which is 1/2 plus 3 over 2. So, if possible, you can use PEMDAS. And then number 3 here is, you will need to always put in mind that the bar sign are actually division. So you will not need to be confused. Okay? So let us go ahead and solve this. So we have 4 over, and then we will solve the denominator. So 2, we'll just write the 2 since we are adding similar fractions. Then 1 plus 3, that is 4. Okay. Now, simplify this. This would become 2 over 1 or 2. So you will be left by 4 over 2. Okay, again, this would become, simplify, this would become 2 over 1 or 2. Right? Dinayapil ang 1. So, man na siya mabilin. Then, since naka-4 sa taas, this will become 4 over 2. The answer is 2. Okay. Let's have another example. Let's have 4 over 3 minus 4 minus 3, or 3 over 4 minus 3 over 2. Okay, so let's solve this. So there's no need to simplify the top part, the numerator. It's already simplified on its simplest form. We will need to subtract the denominator. Now, to subtract the denominator, since it has different, let me erase this one first. Since it has different symbol, so what we will need to do is, we will need to find the greatest common or least common denominator, LCD. In this case, it will be 4. 4 divided by 4, 1. 1 times 4 divided by 4, that would be 1. 1 times 3, that would be 3. 4 divided by 2, that would be 2. 1 times 3, that would be 4 divided by 2, that would be 2. 2 times 3, that would be 6. Okay. So, we still have 4 over then we will need to simplify the numerator. So 3 is a negative number, 6 is a positive number, and 6 is a negative number. So we have this different sign, right? So what we will need to do, we will need to subtract 6 minus 3, that would be 3, and then we will need to use the sign of the bigger number, which is negative. Okay, so negative, and then we'll just write 4. So this is your denominator, negative 3/4. This is the answer of 3/4 minus 3/2. The next thing that you will need to do is the step number 3. The bar sign is division. So this big bar sign is division. So if you can rewrite this one, this would become 4 divided by negative 3/4. After this, you can rewrite this as negative 4/3. And then, since you already changed this number to its reciprocal form, then you can change it to multiplication. So 4 times negative 4 will have negative 16/3. So that would be your answer. Okay, so don't worry. All of the answer sheets that you will be answering has the same pattern regarding complex fractions. This is just to practice you on how to solve this kind of mathematical challenges. Okay, so I think that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Always be awesome and be a math hero. Goodbye.